Hello and welcome. Welcome to another live stream. Today we are going to be going over JD.com or ticker symbol JD. Now we did call this company out on the Sunday Stock Talk, which we have every Sunday night, 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, so definitely check it out. Now, we called this company out because we thought it was going to do two things, right? We already established that there was a support, and we drew some of these yellow lines previously before Sunday, and we drew some of these additional lines here on the Sunday night stock talk. So with that said, it's actually going right along with our game plan here, bouncing off of those support levels. Now, as you can see, having a low of 28.94, it was up as much as 2.66% today. Now, that is a good indication that there is a support at that level, and there is potential still for it to go up to previous resistance levels of $30.31 to make about a 2.5% profit. It could also go up as high as $30.74 for about a 4% profit. So what we did is when we looked back at a bigger picture on the 4-hour chart, we kind of zoomed out to kind of see where this company can go. Now, as you can see, we have been tracking this company for quite some time, but right here would be a good indication of previous resistance and support levels. As you can see, there's quite a bit of consolidation in this area back in April, middle of April of this year. It had a lot of consolidation, basically meaning that it was trading within this little range area. Now, since then, it did break out and has made some incredible profits over time, from lows of $24.99 to highs of $35.53, resulting in a 42% profit in about a month. Okay, guys, a 42% profit in a single month. So if you invested $1,000, you would have $400 at the end of the month extra. If you invested $10,000, you'd have over $4,000 in a single month buying and holding JD at this support level. Now, a couple things can happen looking at this at a bigger picture, right? As you can see, it had huge gains, hit a resistance of around 35.50, and has since been selling off, which necessarily isn't a good thing. So or it can be a good thing for all of us who are wanting to get in, hoping that everyone's sold and locked in profits up in this area. Now, a couple things can happen. Now that it's selling off, it found that rejection period, and it's struggling to have that it's struggling to get confirmation up in the upward direction. Right now it has this huge range between $29 and $30.74 of consolidation, so it has huge swings of consolidation, obviously finding support at that $29 level and starting to indicate signs that it is somewhat going up. So a couple things can happen. This company can literally just it could either bounce up, hit this resistance, and come back down, showcasing a double top and resulting in a sell-off back to previous lows of around $24.99. Okay, that's one scenario. Another scenario is, as you can see here, it's almost creating like a W. Well, this would be considered a double bottom, and it would actually start indicating signs of an upward trend here along this trend line, and then it would actually break out of this resistance level at 30.74, resulting in a longer run or play up, making around 16%. Now, it doesn't have to play out that way, and right now buying in at 29.55, you can see about a 3% to 4% profit on the low resistance levels, and if this was to break out, you can easily see a 20% profit on your investment when looking at JD.com. So I just wanted to showcase this company. It's starting to look really good. It's starting to show a nice setup here, following along kind of with what we're drawing here as far as our lines, indicating that it would hit this resistance and come down. Now, of course, we have two pretty much scenarios. It can trail all the way up, or it can hit this resistance, bounce down. And you can even draw a third indication, you know, basically saying, it goes up to here, it bounces one more time, and then it goes up. So there's a few different levels that we're looking at here, and we're going to see how this plays out as the week goes on. And so yeah, if you're interested on how JD plays out, add it to your watch list, and at the very least subscribe to the channel, and that way when we talk about it again. Go live every Monday through Friday at market open, so whatever time the market opens in your time zone, we will be live, and you can watch me trade in and out of positions and ask me questions and kind of get inside my head as I trade live every morning. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash that like button, and we will see you all in the next one.